How's it? This is Coach, and today I'm going to take you through a total body workout using just one kettlebell and your body weight. We're going to go over 3 different movements that you can learn first before we jump right into it, because I want to take you through the intervals and so forth and try to guide you through the whole workout and then break it down from there. So let's get started. The first movement is going to be an RDL and squat combo. The RDL plus goblet squat combo is a single kettlebell RDL. As you pull it up, you're going to pull it up towards your chest, elbows to your side, and perform a goblet squat. This is a great combo exercise to build leg strength as well as leg endurance. So make sure that we bring it up to our chest, we keep our elbows in, come up, go back down, controlled, hip back, and there you go. Okay, so that was the first exercise. Now with this workout, we're going to use intervals. We're going to go for 30 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest. Now, during those 30 seconds, we don't want to be rushing through it. We want to get sloppy. We want to stay nice and under control with quality reps. Now, we're going to get into the second exercise. The second exercise is a bodyweight movement. Now, the instep push-up reach is a combination of performing a push-up, Y reach, and going into an instep rotation, always making sure we're turning into the knee. So control down, reach out as if you're doing a Y, come back up, alternate per side in the rotation. Now, if you have a hard time doing push-ups, lower yourself under control, come back up with your knees still on the ground before you go into the instep rotation. There you go, try it out. So after we do that movement for 30 seconds, we're gonna jump right into the last movement, which is gonna be a kettlebell combo exercise. It's gonna be a row to a reverse lunge. Okay, so here's a good burner. This is gonna be a row to reverse lunge. So whatever side we are rowing with, we're gonna be stepping back with that same leg. So if we're gonna be rowing with our right arm, we're gonna be stepping back with our right leg. Making sure we stay under control. There's no need to rush through these movements. Make sure it's quality reps. Okay, so what I want you to do now is practice those movements just to kind of add it to your warm up. Don't get so crazy and everything, but just so you can feel comfortable with the exercise themselves before you start the actual workout. So I suggest go anywhere between 2 rounds, just doing like a couple reps, like 3 to 5 reps of each one, just to kind of get a feel of it. Once you're ready, then we can set the timer. So we go 30 seconds of work, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So after you do each exercise, one after the other, you can either push the limits and just keep going through it in a constant fashion for about 3 to 4 rounds, or after you do the 3 movements, you can rest for about 60 to 90 seconds, regain your breath, and then go again for another 3 to 4 rounds. So this whole workout should last anywhere between 10 to 25 minutes of you getting your sweat on. So let me know what you think about the workout. Looking forward to hearing more from you. Mahalo and ahui ho.